Hi, this is Josh from Apt Electronics at CES 2013. I'm with Garrett at Lenovo, and we are looking at a new gaming rig from Lenovo. Hello, Garrett. What's going on with this gaming rig you guys coming out? That's kind of new for Lenovo, isn't it?
This is our entry into the high-end extreme gaming market, and this is just plain old fun. So this is called our Erazer X700 desktop. It has up to a 6-core Core i7 Extreme processor. You can have up to 2 NVIDIA or 2 ATI graphics cards with support for up to 6 monitors. So you can see here we got an amazing peripheral view of our game. It's liquid cooled. We can overclock that processor. And what's different about this system than some of the other gaming systems from other manufacturers is that instead of having to shut it all the way down and boot up into BIOS to go and change some of those settings for overclocking, we can actually do it at the touch of a button. So we've got an overclock button here. I press that, it brings up the menu for changing my overclocking settings. May require a restart, but it's much simpler than having to reboot and go into BIOS and do that. This can overclock somewhere between 30 and 40% of the speed of the processor, depending on the class of the processor that we're using.
You guys aren't messing around anymore.
No, you can see, I mean, this has got a whole rig here with some third-party peripherals as well to really give you a lifelike experience, both visually as well as touch-wise with some of the controls, and you got the performance to drive all of that.
And I assume when I'm done playing my games, I've got Windows 8 and all the latest, greatest technology?
This runs web browsers at incredible speeds.
What if I want to make use of that Windows 8 touch? What would I do?
Well, you can also get a touch screen to use with it too, or have one of our touch options that we've talked about earlier today.
All right, sounds good. Thank you, Garrett. Guys, you can check out more about what's going on at CES this year at blog.apt.com. Otherwise, I have a race that's calling my name.